all. How are you doing? So, are you on a growth journey to reach your maximum potential? If yes, then this session is for you because you will get all the encouragement which will help you to keep on keeping on your growth journey. And if the answer is no, that you are not on your growth journey yet, this session is again for you because it will inspire you to start on your growth journey. Here I am, Seema Jain. I have done my engineering from NIT Jaipur, master's from Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, and I have more than a decade of experience in various leadership roles in various corporate companies. And I am associated with PIM. As a PIM is Peak Impact Mentorship. So I am associated with Peak Impact Mentorship. I am a coach associated with Peak Impact Mentorship. And as part of it, we coach, train, and mentor a lot of people. So in Peak Impact Mentorship, we believe in celebrating success. We believe in celebrating growth, and we believe in celebrating celebration. So here we are with you. We bring with you Supra Dash. She is a student of Peak Impact Mentorship and she is very successful. So here you have Supra Das with all of us. Hi Supra, how are you?
Hi Seema, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
It's really great pleasure, and I'm very excited to have you as part of Peak Impact Mentorship Studio. So congratulations for being here as selected as one of the star performers of Peak Impact Mentorship. And Supra, would you like to share something about you? Could you give a short introduction about you, who you are, and all these things to the people?
Sure, Seema. Thank you so much. I too am excited the same way. About me, I am Supra Dash. I'm born and brought up in Odisha, and I've completed my engineering in computers from Bhubaneswar. And then after getting a campus placement, I moved to Bangalore. Same as like everyone, I started my career with a normal MNC. And then in the career journey, I started I have a corporate experience of around 7+ years now. Currently, I work as an change release manager with the BFSI domain, and recently married to Bharat. So starting the second journey of my life, which is close to 1 year now, and very excited about life. Thank you so much.
So nice to know about you, Supra. It's very exciting to know about you. So Supra, would you share your experience? Like, how did you come across Peak Impact Mentorship actually?
Like I was always very successful in my corporate career. I always put my 100% wherever I do. I was always successful, but I always wanted, and I was always looking for something to do along with what I am always pursuing. So I was in that looking zone all the time. And then once I came across Kiran. He's also from Odisha. And then we, after having a connect with him, I attended one of this workshop of Vijay, which is of Peak Impact Mentorship. And I found some value add in my personal front. And that's how I was part of PIM. And then the journey started.
Excellent. Very nice, Supra. So that is how you came across Peak Impact Mentorship. Excellent. Nice to know that. And one thing you said that for those who do not know, Vijay is the founder of Peak Impact Mentorship. And Vijay carries a vision to touch 1 lakh lives positively in this year. And we are all are part of the vision. So Supra, can you just give a brief on what kind of workshops do Peak Impact Mentorship run?
Vijay keeps doing a lot of such workshops on growth for every individual. It is not limited to 1 or 2, I would say, because it's been close to 15 months I'm part of PIM now. Every weekly, Vijay conducts one workshop in a weekend. A part of that, we run a book club throughout the country in different pockets, like online and physically both. So currently we have majorly these 2 workshops which are going on. Like one is the book club and the second is the Vijay's weekly workshop. So this is not limited only to this workshop. We have one-on-one sessions which we do with our mentors. So whenever we have anything to understand or know about books or other things related to life, anything, that's all.
Very nice, Supra. Yeah, Peak Impact Mentorship, they have their workshops and their whole mission is to add value in people's life. So excellent. So you were talking about something about book reading club. Can you throw more light on what this book reading club is all about?
Yeah, even my journey started with one of this book club. I was always an avid reader, but when it says about reading, what kind of books you read also matters. To be very frank, I used to read Chetan Bhagat's book when I was in my college days. I used to spend entire full night and I used to read and finish the book the next day, and go in front of friends and tell that I have completed a book. So this is how the reading was. But this kind of reading never led me to any growth, or where the current situation of my life, it never helped me. So when I was part of this book club, I got to know that there are a set of books which every individual should read in their lifetime and understand how this book is going to bring a value add in their life. So this books in the books which are recommended by Vijay after a lot of research, the books are not limited only to books, but it is again described in the form of chapters. There is a syllabus designed actually where you have to read only selected chapters or selected pages, which is going to help you in your personal life. So what we do in the book club is we just pick one of this book out of the recommended ones. We read the content out of it, and then we get 3 minutes time in the book club to deliver this content. So here what happens is, like I would be one of the speaker, and among with me there are 10 other speakers. When we all share our content, everyone gets to learn about lots of books and learnings in that 1 hour session. So this is just about the book club which we do. And recently, recently we have also started one of our book club. Bharat and me are doing one book club, which is like almost a week back we started ours.
So amazing, awesome, and that is how growth happens exponentially. So you see, Supra, who started as a peak impact mentorship student, she started being part of a book club, has now started her own book club. And for the knowledge of all, we do not charge for our book clubs. It is completely voluntary, non-profit. As you know, I have my full-time job. Supra has her full-time job. So it is not about money, but it is about a passion to create a positive difference in the lives of so many people. And that is the whole idea of book reading club. So great to know about the book reading club, where we have a platform where like-minded people can come together, read together, and grow together. So exceptional, very nice, amazing, and congratulations, Supra, that just last 1 week back you could start your own book reading club. Amazing, awesome. So one thing which I would like to know from you, Supra, like you have been associated with Peak Impact Mentorship now for quite some time. So what has been like your 3 to 4 key learnings, key transformational points which you have had while you were part of this book reading club and Peak Impact Mentorship?
Yeah, when you ask about learning, it is not limited to 1 or 2 as the numbers you specified for me to mention over here. So as the journey has been close to 1 year, I would say the learnings are a lot. But specifically, I would say Supra has transformed a lot. I would mention myself as Supra here because I knew the person who I was when I came here. So the best and the beautiful thing happened with me. The journey of PIM and the journey of my marriage started parallel. And first learning, I would say, is I was a very skeptical person when it comes to marriage or relationship. But that complete perspective changed when I met you, Seema, and you recommended me few books, which I still remember. And whenever I have confusion or that skeptical thing, I go and read back that book. So about spouse, about the relationship, my perspective has changed in this 1 year. I have created a lot of respect and love for my own spouse. And today, if you ask to praise about Bharat, yeah, I can do that. But this was not the same 1 year back. This is one of the learning. You recommended a book named Men Are From Mars and Women Are From Venus. So this particular book actually tells about how men actually behave and how their brain works. Similarly, for women, they are altogether from a different planet, how their mindset and how they work. So when you read this particular book, you try to gradually understand each other. So this was one of the key learning which I learned from PIM. Second learning is I was a person who always, it could be a silly matter or it could be a major one. I think a lot about that topic, and I used to spoil my energy. I drain my lot of energy with that small thought which keeps haunting me. So I do a very regular counseling with you, Seema. I would like to say this to the public. I always consider not only a mentor to you, but you are very close to my heart. See, the way a Sarathi should be, you are that in my life. I can say that. I'm very glad that you are taking this interview for me today, and I'm able to express this all things in front of everyone today. So yeah, you changed this perspective which I had about this thought process. You taught me how to let go few things, not to take things very seriously in life, because when I stick to something, I become very serious about that. I do not focus the external stuff, what is happening around me. I just forget everything. So this was the second change which I found in myself. Third learning is, you never get a mentor free of cost anywhere. I would say that term. None of the mentors charge any money from me for the guidance they do to me. Anytime I am struggling with respect to my corporate career, with respect to my personal life, with respect to anything, whenever I came and seek from you any kind of guidance, you were always there for me. And that was the one of the very important thing I would say. Getting a mentor is not easy. I would always go to my mom or my sister, but they can always not throw the light which the situation I am at Bangalore, and they would not really understand that. They always have guided me whenever it was required, but someone who is in the same page, like I always connected to you because you are also working and you understand the pain which I go through, or you understand the situation when I express to you with the problem with respect to my corporate or with respect to my personal front. So I have seen a tremendous change in me, and this is not only because of you. Whenever we walk or talk with each other, you silently refer a book to me. One point of time, I remember we were walking and I shared you some of the incident about my happenings in the office, and you said, why don't you read this book, You Can Heal Your Life? And I still read that book. So here, when I say I read that book, I have never completed any of this book so far. I have actually gone through few of the chapters or a selected topic which has made so much of difference in my mindset. And books doesn't mean that you have to really finish the book. It has to be taken slowly and implemented in every parts of your life. The list will keep continuing, Seema, if I keep talking about the learnings here. But the journey has been so excited that, yeah, if I am the Arjuna, then you are my Sarthi in my life. I would say that I would start being very emotional, and I do not want to roll tears in front of the public here. But yeah, someone whom I can admire, admiration would be less, but you are more than a sister, a mom, I would say, because the age doesn't matter here, but you have always guided me like an mom, and I can come to you anytime and ask for any kind of guidance. And that is what I was always looking for. I have always been to corporate leaders and asked for help, but it was never a help. I could never get those attention or the things which I was looking, I could get from them.
I am touched. I am overwhelmed, Supra. And I would say that the best part about Peak Impact Mentorship is we only give what we get from here. And the mentorship, the training, the coaching, all we have got from Vijay here. The Peak Impact Mentorship, the foundation is serving, giving back to the society. What we have got, we keep giving on, and what you have received, you will keep giving on, and the flow will continue. So that is the beauty about Peak Impact Mentorship. See, there are two terminologies basically. One is training and one is coaching. And the difference between training and coaching is where training is like generic, like it is one person speaking to everyone. But coaching is more personalized, where the person understands you and the answers come from within you. So a coach is not supposed to have all the answers. Nobody has, neither I nor no one can claim that they have all the answers. But as they say, all the answers are within you. And Peak Impact Mentorship has taught me that the answers have to be revealed from the person himself. And as one of my mentors, once told that there will be a time when a book will speak to you. So you keep a book. Many a times, I have talked to people. They say I buy books, but I don't read them. They are just in the cupboard. So I feel it is better to buy a book and not read it at all rather than not buy a book at all. So you buy a book and you keep it, and many a times it has happened that there comes a time when the book speaks to us based on the phase of life we are. So great to know the transformation which Peak Impact Mentorship has been able to bring for you. And I would like to say something about Supra here. When I first met Supra, definitely she is extremely beautiful and she is very confident, very smart, very successful. She was working in a top corporate company. So she has all the traits, staying away from the family, all the traits what you will want to see in a girl to call her successful. And she is extremely ambitious, hardworking, focused. But the only challenge which I saw with Supra is she is very harsh on herself sometimes. She set very, very strong goals for herself. Like it is very high goals for herself, which normal people will never achieve. keep, then she'll not achieving those goals and at least meeting 80% or 70% of them. That is the only place actually where Supra, I think, gradually realized through reading the books that it is okay to keep big goals and failing rather than keeping no goals at all. So that was one part of it. And the second part was Supra was very skeptic of a marriage relationship, and she has got a very loving husband, and that was she was not open up because of certain experiences which she had gone through. But slowly and gradually, with right kind of books like Men Are From Mars and Love and Respect, she opened her heart for more love and more relationships in the world. So that is what Supra is, an amazing person. Even without Peak Impact Mentorship, we would have done great, Supra. I have no doubt about it. It is just that Peak Impact Mentorship helps us to further achieve more in life. So you were already successful when you came to Peak Impact Mentorship. The question is only about significance right now.
I just would like to add one liner. Sorry to interrupt, Seema. Yes. I just would like to one liner here. When I met Vijay through Kiran once after his workshop, I just had a 5 to 10 minutes of conversation with him, I remember. And he really was impressed. And but he got to know, when a coach or an experienced person meet you, they get to know what that person really needs. And he just casually said me, why don't you read this book, Many Lives, Many Masters? I still remember that is a life changer for me. That book has 360-degree changed the way I was thinking. I'm not saying I was a negative person. I was always a positive person, but I learned to forgive people and forgive myself. This was one of the big points I wanted to add in the last. So yeah, forgiving is really very important. And I learned that art after meeting Vijay. So special thanks, and thanks to Vijay all the time. Thank you so much, Vijay, to come in my life. And I'm very, very grateful to be part of Peak Impact Mentorship.
So last question, Supra, before we end today's call, and one thing which I would like to know from you: how is Peak Impact Mentorship different from other things? A lot of other mentoring and training institutes are running. So how do you think Peak Impact Mentorship is different? And say if you have a very close sister or a very close friend, would you recommend Peak Impact Mentorship to him or her? And why would you recommend Peak Impact Mentorship to her?
Sure, Seema. Yeah. So before coming to PIM, I always used to read this kind of books on leadership, actually, because as you always said, I was very, very ambitious, and I always like to see myself in the top. So I always used to seek for the books and the learnings for how I can be like those people. So I used to attend some of this workshop through different online forums, which are generally conducted. People who go through this would know about it. So I have attended for some of these motivational seminars, but after going there, it is really good. I won't say they are bad enough. They are really good, but they are motivational. And I was really not looking for any motivational for me. I was looking something who can actually correct me or tell me that this is the right thing for you, or the decision I make, whether it was right for me. I was looking for something different. And PIM gave me that forum where someone could personally talk to me, understand me, and mentor me that in this particular situation of life, what is the right choice I should be doing and what is the right decision I should be making. So that PIM helped me with the mentorship, which I would tell. So I personally got to meet you, Seema, and I connected with you really. I connected with you, and I felt that you are really the right coach or mentor for me, whom I would like to become. If given with a chance, the experience you have already gone through your life, I would really not waste my time, which you have already seen, I would say, in that way. You can always correct me in the areas which you think you should not have done. If you are given with a chance where you can go back and correct something, you can always tell me that, because I should not be repeating that same thing again in my personal life or my career front. And that day I decided that for anything, I would always need a mentor, and PIM can help me that. If not you have always people and sources whom you can reach out for an answer. If you sometimes feel that you are not the right person for a particular topic or content, you have person whom you can make me reach out to, can help me in that particular area. So I never felt there is an issue with respect to any of this thing. And yeah, recently I recommended PIM to my own sister. She is a teacher by profession, and she started joining the book club, I would say. And she was sharing her learnings, and she is very eager and part to be this PIM. And I would always recommend everyone to PIM, because it is not limited to mentorship, I would say. See, there are billions of books if you go around. Is it really you know which book to pick and read? You always need a person who picks that book for you, hand it over to you. You might be a good reader or a bad reader, but PIM actually lets you to read which particular chapter. I would just say you go through chapter number 3. How does it make? It makes your work very simple. You don't have to pick a thick book and worry about finishing it actually. Just go through one of the chapter. And the best thing I learned in 2019, I would like to tell that I have been reading a lot of books, but I never documented it. But after coming through the workshop of Vijay, I started documenting each and every book, each and everything I attend in my life. So 2019 has been a great year of growth, I would say. And I see a transformed person in myself, and I'm very happy about myself. And I see more excited and lively person in me. Before I was always a lively person, but I am 100% more than that. So 200% Supra now.
So amazing, everyone. It was a great pleasure to have you, Supra, with us and PIM Studio. And I'm so happy that you could inspire so many people that there is hope. There is hope for more. It's not that you need peak impact mentorship if you are not doing good in life. You need peak impact mentorship if you are doing extremely good in your life also, because it brings out your very best. So that is all, and I am very thankful because I am blessed that God has opened the doors for me to become a coach and contribute to positively to the world, and do my share of what I can do. So I am blessed that I have got this opportunity to coach someone, to add some value in someone else's life. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Peak Impact Mentorship. Thank you, Supra. And thank you and love you, all of you who have been watching and been with us. Thank you. See you again. Good night. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Siba. Pleasure being here.